Yan, may seaplane. Galing. Ganda. Ano ba pangalan ng lugar na to? No name. Pero maganda in fairness Relaxing. In Hulamale. More seaplanes to come. Yeah. Medyo windy ang weather. Not so usual. In a small island with lots of Muslim. Here. Peaceful naman dito. Just a little tour. Dito sa park ng Hulamale. Chiran. Capture memories after mamili ng kung anik-anik. Konti ng sasakyan, konti ng tao. New building coming in. Dahil puno. Magagandang puno actually. So bus coming. Ayan, ganda din ang puno. Diba? Two-floor bus. Tourist bus. And then may mosque. Ayan, more buses. Ang dami ding birds. More buses. Actually, less bus. Less car. More motorcycle. Yan. So, just a glimpse of Hulamale Maldives. Gloomy ng araw na to, pero perfect for walking. See? Wala ka masyado makakita dito Tourist destination dito, yung mga island, pero hindi yung city. Pero mga transient,